Hi, dear student. I'm Epi. I am a teacher of chemistry. Welcome on this channel where we will discuss different topics from chemistry. Last time we had studied about physical change, chemical change. Today, we are going to focus or to make a comparison between physical change and the chemical change. Today, I want to teach you by making a comparison. So, please follow me. No, no new substance, substances formed. Formed here is easy to to return to return back to to the first to the first substance, sorry, to the first substance. And here no new mass, no new mass for format. Here example of physical change you can take: common salt dissolve dissolve in water. In water. Where here, if no new substance formed here, new, if we say no new substance formed here, here in chemical change, new substance are formed. And then if it is easy to return back to the first substance, here is, sorry, easy is not easy to to return back to the first substance. And here you can say no new mass formed. In chemical change, new new mass is, or new mass are formed. Here a good example for chemical change is burning wood during cooking. So difference between physical and chemi and chemi chemical 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 change. You see, here I use a table to show difference between physical change and chemical change. Here, if we use table, in physical change, we saw that no new substance formed, while in chemical change, new substances are formed. In physical change, is not easy in physical change is easy to return back to the first substance. If I say first substance is the substance we start by. For example, if we take salt, we mix with water, the first the first substance is what we call salt before. The second, it is what we call a solution after mixing salt with water is what I call first substance. So it is in physical change, it is easy to return back to the first substance. New No new mass formed. Here in the physical change, no new mass formed. For example, common salt dissolving in water, mass of salt doesn't change. It is steady. It can't change. Reason why you say no new mass formed, because it is the same before reaction and after of reaction. In physical change, masses are the same. Example of in physical change, we take here common salt dissolve in water. We can add also painting painting. Also, it is a good example of a physical change. As I show how I try to paint this black or this white board, it already, and I return back to the normal white board. In chemical change, now new substances are formed. Here in chemical change, new substances are formed because something is added to the substance, to the first substance, or is lost to the by we oxidize the iron. Also, new substance can obtained. So let us jump to the how to return back. Here in chemical change, it's not easy to return back to the first substance. For example, let us think when we make rusting. If we make rusting, we take iron and we add oxygen, and then it will become rusting. Here, it is not easy to return back to the pure iron. So it is not easy to return back to the first substance. Here, new mass are formed. Yes, here new mass is formed because during a change, here there is some substance lost and there is some substance gained by the first substance. Sometimes we can add a substance to the first one, and then mass can change. And sometimes we can lost some mass from the first substance, and then new mass can form it. Here a good example for this chemical change is burning wood. We take wood and we burn after we get ash. You see, also the mass of wood, it is totally different with mass of ash obtained because there is some substance lost. Here also you can say burning candle, burning candle, burning candle. Here, burning a candle also it is a chemical change because the candle it was a solid and it will turn it to the gas. So thank you so much for be here with me. If it's your first time, please remember to hit on the subscribe button. This will allow you to get next video and next lesson. Thank you so much.